Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to craft Kratos' iconic shield. First, let's gather our supplies. You will need EVA foam in various thicknesses, strong contact cement, and a reliable cutting mat. Don't forget a sharp utility knife, different sandpaper grits for smoothing, and a heat gun for shaping. A Dremel tool can also be incredibly helpful for adding intricate details and refining edges. Now, let's construct the shield's sturdy base. Begin by cutting 2 large circular pieces from 6mm EVA foam. These will form the main body. For the central boss, cut a smaller, thicker foam piece, approximately 2 inches in diameter. Carefully apply contact cement to both surfaces, allowing it to become tacky before pressing the layers together firmly. This ensures a robust and lasting bond for your shield's foundation. With the base complete, it is time to add those crucial details. Carefully carve the distinctive Spartan emblem onto the shield surface using a sharp craft knife. To achieve a realistic wood grain texture, gently heat the foam with a heat gun and then press a wire brush into it. Finally, use a Dremel and other carving tools to create authentic battle damage and weathering, giving your shield a truly ancient, worn appearance. For the final steps, we will bring your shield to life with paint. First, prime the entire piece with several thin coats of a flexible, rubberized primer to prepare the surface. Next, apply a base coat of metallic silver or steel paint, then enhance it with dark weathering washes to create depth. Conclude by sealing your magnificent creation with a clear matte top coat, ensuring its durability and protecting your hard work for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.